Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Amimul Hassan Bhuya. My registration number is 2021221015. My topic is lexicographic preference relation, and here is the slide. This is my topic name. Uh, next slide, we can see the question. I'm in group 4, and this question is in group 4, group on in number 4. So here, if we read the question, let us define a lexicographic preference relation in a consumption set. X and Y as follows. Here, x1 and x2 is greater than y1 and y2, and x1 and x2 is indifference y1 and y2 if and only if x1 greater than y1 or x1 is equal to y1 and x2 greater than or equal to y2. Here we can see that the consumer prefers bundle X to Y if the former contains more units of the first good than the latter. X1 greater than Y1. However, if the both bundles contain same amount of good, X1 equal to Y1, the consumer ranks bundle X above Y if the former has more units of good to than the latter. X2 greater than or equal to Y2. For simplicity, assume the both components have been normalized to x equal to if 0 or 1 and y equal to 0 and 1. Now the question is the show the lexicographic preference relation uh, satisfy rationality. It is the complete and transitive. So in the solution, we can see that the completeness, by definition, completeness is a complete preference relation if the all bundles x1, x2, y1, y2 belongs to r square, either x1, x2 or x2, y2 greater than x1, y1 or x2, y2 indifference x1, x1, x2 or both. Hence, we need to show that first of all we have to show x1 x2 not greater than x1 y1 or x1 x2 not indifference x1 y1. That is equal to y1 y2 greater than x1 x2 or y1 y2 is indifference x1 x2. Indeed, no, we have to note that x1 x2 not greater than y1 y2 or x1 x2 not indifference y1 y2. So if y1 greater than x1 or y1 indifference y1, if y1 is not equal to x1 or y2 greater than x2, then we have to talk about transitivity. Let us we have to make three bundles. Now we have the three bundles is x1 x2 y1 y2 and z1 z2, that is belongs to r square with x1 x z1 greater than or greater than y1 y2 or x1 z1 indifference y1 y2. Though this is the process, these are the process. In the next slide, we have to check transitivity in four possible cases in which x1 x2 greater than or indifference y1 y2 and y1 y2 greater than or indifference z1 z2. Now here is the four possible ways. If in the first cases, if z1 greater than z2 and y1 greater than z1, then by the transitivity of the greater than equal or then or equal operator, we obtain x1 greater than z1, as we all know that z1 z2 implies x1 greater than x1 x2 greater than or indifference z1 z2. Then transitivity holds in this case. In B, we also same process. In C, we have transitivity holds in the as well as same cases. And in D options, we can see that if y1 greater than z1 and x1 equal to y1 and x2 greater than y2 y2, then x1 z1 z1 we now we know that x1 z1 implies x1 y2 greater than indifference z1 z2. Entailing the transitivity holds in this case as well. We have been then checked all four cases under which x1 x2 greater than indifference y1 y2 and y1 y2 greater than indifference z1 z2. This is by confirming this preference relations, this is a complete and transitive. We can conclude it is rational. That's all. Thank you.